I got into the car Friday after work, and I started up the car, and as I was leaving the parking lot, all the lights on my dashboard came on with the big explanation mark, the service engine light, the VSC light, and I was like, what are all these lights? Driving to the grocery store, all of a sudden I go pushing on the gas and the car did not want to go. I pushed on the gas, it didn't want to go past 4 miles an hour. And so I turned on the hazards, I pulled into the grocery store parking lot, and I parked the car. A friend of mine referred me to Hybrid battery repair in San Diego. I took it there, and William Brown hooked it up to a diagnostic and found that 2 of the cells were in fact going bad in the battery. He gave me a very good, fair price to get it fixed. With the price that he gave me, I was very happy with the service he provided. I would definitely take the car there again.